hosting a WordPress website on Namecheap is pretty easy thing to do. Today I will teach you how you guys can host a WordPress website on Namecheap. So for that, you have to open up your WordPress and you need to have your website ready that you want to, publish or you want to buy a domain for. After that, you just have to go with this website, which is namecheap.com, and you will see a page something like that. Right? You just need to go to account, and you just need to create an account. After creating an account, you need to add your WordPress information, including the WordPress link, your WordPress admin's username and password, like that. So you just have to add all of the information. After that, you will be able to host your WordPress website with the right domain, whatever you want. You just need to buy it first. As you guys can see, .com domains are only $5.98 and .nets are only $12, almost $12. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can host a WordPress website on Namecheap. Hope you guys find this helpful.